Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about LegalZoom and how they help aspiring entrepreneurs reach their goals. Now, I don't trust companies easily, but after hours of research I came to the decision to check out LegalZoom services, and so I wanted to tell you guys about my experience with them in hopes that it might help a few of you struggling out there. Now, before I get started, I want all of you to know that I'm not sponsored by LegalZoom, and I'm simply sharing my experience with them. And if you would like to check out LegalZoom for yourself, check out the link in the description below for a discount that you won't find by going directly to the website. Now, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I've always wanted to open up a small business of my own so I could fulfill my childhood dreams. Now, no one prepared me for how complicated the process would be. Now, generally, I am an independent person, but starting a limited liability company overwhelmed me so much that I started to delay the process. I finally sat down and searched through many companies that could help me out and simplify the process. And as I said before, I did my research and decided to go with LegalZoom, a company that provides small business owners with legal advice, guiding them through the process of forming an LLC, as well as protecting and trademarking it. Now, to start an LLC, you need to come up with a name, one that's unique and available in your area. LegalZoom actually helps you with that. They provide you with a name check and even reserve names for you. Then you need to pick a registered agent to deal with your LLC's legal notices, but you can leave this to LegalZoom and they'll deal with it. After that comes the actual documentation of your company. You'll need to file everything so that all your basic details are in one place. There are also permits and licenses you'll need to apply for depending on the type of business you have and where you're located. Once you're done with all of that, you'll have to make an operating agreement. Now, this agreement basically defines the rights you have and specifies the internal workings of your company. Lastly, there's a filing for an employee ID number or EIN that's used for taxes, banking, and basically everything related to your LLC. Now, it may sound easy and straightforward when I say it, but when you start the process, there are several documents you need to obtain from different offices. Because I worked with LegalZoom and they did all of this for me. When I tell you they take care of everything from start to finish, I mean it. They also help people get registered, nonprofits, but I use their LLC services, so I'll be focusing on that. Alright, to put it simple, they have three criteria of services: registration, operation, and protection. Now, when it comes to registration, they have three plans depending on how much help you really need. They have a basic plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. Now, I was completely clueless, so I chose their most comprehensive plan, the premium one. The plan itself cost me about $299, excluding the state filing fees. If your bill comes out to be slightly more expensive than you expected it, it's not any sort of hidden fees, it's just the state filing fees, which differ widely from state to state. Now, the basic package costs $0 without the state fees. They offer the articles of organization, which is what you need to get your LLC registered. Then they offer you a name service, a step-by-step checklist for what to do once you finish registering. And then they'll even let you customize your own website, which is all handled by Wix, which is great for anyone who never bothered to learn coding. Now, the pro package is $249 and includes everything from the basic plan as well as an operating agreement, an EIN, information about specific licenses according to your location, and even consultation with tax and insurance specialists. Honestly, I can't think of another place where I can get all of these services in one place. And if you want to see what their services are like, you can check out their 7-day free trial. Lastly, the premium and fanciest package comes with some of the greatest amenities I could ask for when it comes to legal help, and just for a few more dollars, I get to talk to an experienced attorney who is well versed in local laws. I even get to choose how much experience my attorney should have, so that was a satisfying resource. Other than that, I had access to multiple half-hour consultations about any legal matter, and LegalZoom was ready to make any changes to my LLC's documents in the first month. Even though I didn't need to make any changes, I was relieved to know that I had the option. That really takes the stress off of someone. Now, LegalZoom has been an immense help for me personally, and it is perfect for anyone who needs a complete lineup or legal services. It's far better than running from office to office and government building to building. The cherry on top is their customer service. They're willing to help you out even on weekends, and I haven't seen such dedication in a long time. And if for any reason you're not a big fan of their work, they also have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Okay, remember when I said no sugarcoating? Well, this is the best part where I show you what I mean. Even though LegalZoom was a great option for me, it's not suitable for people who need just 1 or 2 services because of how the package is planned out. Also, they're not a cheap option, and that can be a deal breaker for some people. But if you can invest in their services, you're definitely not going to regret it. I know I don't. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a thing or two that'll help you on your entrepreneurial journey. If you did, then like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to find a discount code. Feel free to ask me any questions you have or opinions in the comment section down below. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.